Welcome to the grokshop. In this video, I'll be showing how to isolate and remove adware or madware, as some people have been trying to call it, which is basically when you get pop-ups on your phone right in the middle of your home screen or any other area outside of an app. So my wife came to me with this problem, these ads popping up. She had no idea what was causing them, so I'm going to figure out what's the root cause of these ads and get it cleaned up for her. So I'm going to use the Android debug bridge, or ADB, for this. If you don't know how to get it set up, check out my video for that. So in order just to get started on this video, I got to get rid of this pop-up. My wife advised that you can click on download and cancel, and it'll make it go away for a little while, but it eventually does come back. And sometimes you get another ad, just like this. So I'll go ahead and open up a shell here on her phone and use this dumpsys Windows and grep on mCurrentFocus or mFocusedApp, and we can see right away the ID of the app that's to blame for the current ad that's showing, and it's this com.zyme.latin.light. Kind of has a little bit of a shady sound to it. So a little copy and paste into Google, and you'll get the matching app in the App Store, which is this Flash Emoji Keyboard and Themes app. Wow, 4-star ranking. Kind of tells you about the rankings, doesn't it? So other than the dumpsys command, you can also do a top command, which will show you the top X number of processes on the phone. In this case, I'm looking for the top 20. And I do some grepping to filter out system processes. And sure enough, the busiest process of all is this com.zyme.latin.light, which is that emoji app. So we know not only is it spamming the phone, it's keeping the phone busy and slowing it down. And there's some other kind of suspicious looking apps. I may need to look at those as well. So one way to get more info on these services is to go into developer options, tap running services, and then find the app you're looking for, tap that. And by the way, if you don't know how to enable developer options, check my video on that. So looking at all this, we can see the app's running loads of services and processes, so it's not surprising it's using up a lot of CPU. So in extreme cases like this, where you're getting ads popping up on the home screen outside of the app per se, I'm going to flag that. I'm going to report this as unwanted adware, and I think it's a good idea for people to do that. I mean, of course, if you're using an app for free and you're just getting ads inside your app, that's really nothing to complain about. But when it's intrusive in this way, I think it needs to be reported. Otherwise, nothing will ever change. Now, of course, inside of here, you can stop the processes and services manually, but that's not going to be any kind of a permanent solution. Just showing how it can be done here. So really what we want to do is just remove the nefarious app. Notice these little cleaner apps here. These are also from this app, I believe, based on the services I saw, but I can't really find the root app. I've tried deleting the cleaner apps and they just come back. I don't see the app on here at all, so my guess is the app's actually hiding its own icon to prevent from being removed, which of course would be a major red flag for an app to do that. So to get around that is basically just search apps, or you can go to the Play Store, enter the app name. So here it'll show installed. Just tap the app there and go to the main page, and you'll have an uninstall option. Wow, 50 million downloads? Really? And here we can see no more pink hands in the service list. Okay, so checking back in with another run of the top command, we should no longer see that app listed here or in any other process list. And there it was before. And sure enough, not in here now. Okay, so now other than removing apps from the Google Play or uninstalling by dropping them in the remove bucket at the top of the screen, we can also do it via command line. So I'm going to take a look at some more apps here and maybe pick one more to clean up and show how that's done. See, this notepad one here looks a little suspicious. Yeah, I can see that one showing up all over the place, sometimes multiple processes in a row. Should we do it? Let's pull his card. Another 4-star review, but there's a 1-star right on the front page. This app pops up over other things. Kind of fits my video perfect, eh? Maybe we'll come back to him. Here's that Z camera. I can see it's got Z camera, and it's also got a Chinese name in there, so that right there makes me suspicious. So let's pull his card. Z camera, yep, there's the icon we recognize. Alright, let's do a demo on him from the command line. So basically all you need to do is get into the shell, and then you can type pm uninstall and then the app ID. And takes a few seconds, but that's basically all there is to it. There we can see the app's no longer in the running services list. I'll take care of a few more offline, but you get the gist of it. That's how it's done. Thanks for watching.